有点儿。
我这一盘子对食材都是他们发来的，人家一大堆收的都不均匀。
This is on again on the 27th of November, so do not send it. So here the flavor begins from then cover. So let's by the then last piece arrange it. Then when here it's over the hole. Then when here last piece behind the filling. Can be sometimes more than one or twice. So this is several steps. And then comes the second cover. This will add more cover stability. Now adding also nice sensor. When adding the plant again, it's nice.